The metal coil is hoisted to the uncoiling machine with a steel wire rope. It is prohibited to use nylon ropes for lifting. Align the inner diameter of the coil with the Uncoiler material frame and push it in. Use the expansion handle to expand the inner diameter of the material rack. Install the stopper bracket. Lock stopper bracket nut. Swing wrench to lift feed wheel. Feed the material head into the straightening machine. Lower the feed wheel. Adjust the feed stop wheels on both sides to the appropriate position and lock them. Turn on the power and switch to manual. Press and hold the jog to transport the material out. Adjust the position of the blocking wheels on both sides and lock them. Fine-tuning the pressure of the pressing wheel and correcting wheel. The three big ones are for adjusting the pressing wheel. The four smaller ones are for adjusting the correction wheels. The induction bracket is placed between the straightening machine and the feeder. Connect the sensing wire to the sensing frame and lock it. Connect the other end of the line to the No. 8 wiring port of the correction electromechanical box. Set the equipment to automatic and pull the material head to the feeder. Stop unwinding when the material touches the induction frame. Pull the material to the feed port. Loosen the feed roller. Push the material into the feeder wheel and tighten it. Adjust the feed stop wheel and lock it. Press and hold the inch forward button on the operating handle to send the material to the mold. Adjust and lock the discharge wheel. Enter the feeder panel and select the English interface. This is the manual operation screen. This is the parameter setting screen. This is the other function selection screen. Enter the parameter setting screen to adjust the feeding length. Preset parameter numbers can be selected for parameter loading. You can also set the parameters yourself and then save them. Hold the material and slowly feed it into the mold by inching. The first feeding material cannot exceed the positioning pin positioning hole. Turn on the main power switch of the punch press. Turn on the power of the operation panel to enter the operation screen. Switch the interface to English. Enter the parameter setting screen to set the feeding and relaxing angle. Enter the parameter setting screen to set the cutting time. Switch the punch operating knob to off. Click panel pneumatic button. After starting, wait for the inverter to reach the set value. Switch the punch operating knob to inching. Perform the first punch manually to punch out the hole position. Adjust the feeder to the relaxed state and pull the material head into the second guide chute. Insert the tool into the punched hole and check whether it is in the same position as the positioning hole. After checking that everything is correct, adjust the feeder to the clamping state. Set the feeder to automatic and click Auto Start. Manually test stamping several times. After confirming that everything is correct, adjust the punch operating knob to the continuous gear. After adjusting to automatic, you need to press and hold for more than 3 times to enter the automatic stamping state. Automatic stamping will stop automatically after it reaches the set value. If you need to stop manually, press the stop button.